Welcome to today's online math. Now let's solve for x and y here. Given x plus y equals 5 and xy equals 6. Solution. Okay, so let's name the first one equation 1. X plus y equals 5 and xy equals 6. Okay, now we can make one of the variable the subject from equation 1 and then substitute it into the next equation. Okay, so from equation 1, y is the same as 5 minus x. So we call this one the third equation. Okay, so this one has made the subject of the equation. So we now go to equation 2 and then put this one there. So we have xy equals 6. So x, y, but y is 5 minus x equals to 6. Now let's expand 5x minus x squared equals 6. So we have minus x squared plus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. Let's divide through by negative. Now x squared minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, so this one is a quadratic equation. Right. So let's solve for. So now let's look for the factors. 1 times 6 is 6. So let's find two numbers. When we multiply them to give us 6, but when we add to give us negative 5. So minus 3 minus 2. Perfect. So we have x squared minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. Alright, let's take x out from here. X minus 3. And we have minus 2. And of course, this side with x minus 3 equals to 0. Okay. So we have x minus 3. Then we have x minus 2 equals to 0. So with a 0 product, x minus 3 equal to 0 or x minus 2 equals to 0. So the first answer for x with 3 and x equals to 2. Alright, now when x, so we have x and y. So when x is 2 and when x is 3, let's look for the values of y. Okay, remember y is 5 minus x. So y is 5 minus x. So when x is 2, y will be 5 minus 2, that is 3. And when x equals 3, y will be 5 minus 3, that is 2. As simple as that. Alright, subscribe for more exciting videos like this.